I have to tell you something. You know, when we see a lot of products being advertised, they're all over online, everyone's talking about them, we're always sometimes very wary because we're not very sure if they work, so we give it a try, or sometimes we just jump into the wagon and then start using whatever's being recommended. And so now I like reading more about these products. I used to read, but not as much as I do now, simply because there are products that actually really work and they're very low key. And of course, I'm talking about castor oil, which everyone is beginning to love. It's spreading like wildfire. So thank you so much to all of you who are sharing my videos, especially the videos about the top castor oil brands. I talked about 20 castor oil brands that I found while I was researching about which castor oil was really good. And also my other video which talks about what kind of essential oils or carrier oils can we mix with castor oil, because I have to admit I cannot apply castor oil all by itself. It's like you're putting honey and glue mixed together on your face. It's so hard to mix it and massage your face with it. But see, the power of combining castor oil with another oil is that you are also able to use the powerful attributes of that other oil with castor oil, which has the ability to permeate through the skin. So in essence, what I feel is like castor oil is now helping the other oils, powerful elements and qualities, to also get absorbed into the skin. So today I'm going to talk about how castor oil has worked for me. And I tell you, I've never found anything as organic and as powerful as castor oil. Could be my remedy. Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Jackie D. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I am so pleased to meet you, and I hope that you'll stay and watch this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. And to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate your support. Thank you for ringing that notification bell, for clicking on my thumbnail whenever you see that I come up with something new, because I come up with a new episode every week. I am 62 years old, and I noticed last summer that my hyperpigmentation was at its worst. We were by the pool in Boracay, a family vacation, and I noticed how dark my hyperpigmentation was. And I'm going to show a video here because it looked like the map of all the countries were on my face. We are at Fairways and Blue Waters Private Beach here in Boracay, Philippines, and I'm having an amazing time with the family and of course visiting my country, the Philippines. And still I wasn't worried because I thought, oh, I'm getting old, that's part of it. What can we do? Let them grow, let the blemishes come, But then when I realized that, hyperpigmentation and melasma could have been prevented, what the heck am I doing right now? Why am I not fixing this problem? And now I felt that, oh my gosh, I neglected myself. But honestly, not anymore. I don't feel like I neglected myself. Why? Because I just discovered that castor oil helps us catch up with all the lost years. It helps us to finally repair our skin that we never thought could still be repaired, right? So it's like a miracle oil. And I tell you, if you haven't tried it, or if you're afraid to try it, you can always buy those small bottles. And again, email me if you want a PDF of the list of the top castor oils that I researched. wishuponapond@gmail.com. That's my email, and I'll send you all this. And then go research. At least I got the URLs, the websites, the links of these products, so you don't keep clicking on links on Google, online, and then you end up clicking a scam link or, anything like that, or a not safe or, suspected link. These are legitimate links that will lead you to the actual website and the products, and then you can always buy the smaller ones. Just make sure you're buying oil that's packaged in dark amber glass bottle, not plastic. And I'll show you the video here that I presented before, because castor oil is very potent. It's so powerful. It's going to absorb all the chemicals and toxins in plastic. And if it's in that plastic container, then chances are you're going to let your skin also absorb the chemicals and toxins of that plastic. No. We want pure, hexane-free, cold-pressed, organic castor oil. This is urgent. I thought I should film this first. I've received almost 75 emails now asking for that list of castor oil brands. Now I go like, 1 second, I have not actually told people how to use castor oil, how often, how much to use, and what are the potential side effects. So that list will give you a lot of options. Talk to whoever you trust. Talk to the pharmacist, the lady in the drugstore who understands skin and aesthetics. Talk to them and say, hey, this is my skin. What should I guard against? How safe is castor oil? Or it's basically safe, except I had one person, one amazing lady who emailed me that she developed rashes and like crust on her skin all over her body. But I would think it's because she's been applying pure castor oil every day, which I will not recommend. Always dilute it with another carrier oil, because also you want to be able to spread it nicely and evenly on your skin. And you don't want to put something that you're still testing. What if your skin will suddenly react negatively to that later on? So always do it cautiously, slowly but surely. That was what I did. When I started using castor oil in February, I tested it here first to make sure I had no allergies, 2 hours, and then I tested it at the back of my ear to make sure my skin was safe. And then I put it on with jojoba oil, that's my carrier oil, and I let it stay for 2 hours and then 4 hours and then washed it all off. I only slept with it after another week when I was very sure that my skin could tolerate castor oil. It's not that it's dangerous, it's because it's pure. It's just the oil from the castor seed plant. But see, our skin, they're not all the same. I have a thick skin because of my genes, so it's all different for us all. So just always do it slowly but surely. That's the key. After all, once you discover castor oil, I'll tell you, you'll want to have it for the rest of your life. So there's no rush. I'm 62. I'm not even rushing, but so there's no rush. So once you get your own oil, then make sure. And there are many ways by which you can use castor oil. You can also put it on your painful areas. I have this rotator cuff injury that I sustained in 2004, and I put oil. Now that was pure because of the injury. On February 26th, I could not raise this one, and the following day I was actually able to raise it, and even went to the gym. Oh yes, I went to the gym and I raised my arm. So a lot of that. And the reason I'm doing this video is because I wanted to let you know that you don't have to put pure castor oil in your face, and don't do it every day. I'm sharing this because of that wonderful lady who shared her story. So I actually told her to dilute her castor oil and to not put every day. But for now, I asked her to stop for a moment and then wash off, and then just put moisturizer or lotion and observe if all of those skin reactions go away. Then you know it must be the castor oil. Once all her skin is clear, then she can start doing the test. So always do your skin patch test. If you're finding this episode helpful, don't forget to give it a like, smash that button, help me spread the news, share this one, comment, let me know if you're using castor oil and if it's working for you. Or let me know if you're interested and why. Like, what particular issue do you want to actually attack or resolve? Mine actually was my hyperpigmentation, because I realized, oh my gosh, I neglected myself. But then also eventually it's helped my wrinkles. My wrinkles are not as deep. See, I don't have much foundation today, and my number 11, which was very, very deep before, is not as pronounced. And I'm happy. I'm already happy with this, and I'm liking what I'm seeing. And the thing is, it helps build our self-esteem. When we feel good about ourselves, we love our skin, we love our body, we love how we are looking generally, then we feel more confident, right? And that's the goal. That's my goal. My goal is to help you build your self-esteem, to help you find your better version so that you can shine from within. Don't forget to share your stories, share your comments, give me your feedback, share this video, and watch my other videos. I have a number of videos about castor oil. Every time I discover something, every time I learn something, I share it, because you never know. If somebody doesn't know it and you're able to share some warnings or some alerts or some good news, then you're doing something good for the world. Wait, that sounded so serious. That sounded so much like Miss Universe. Peace, world peace. No. You're doing something for others. We're here to fix each other's crowns. So thank you so much for watching. I don't know how long this video is going to run. I just felt so excited to share that. Whenever I receive emails, I really take your emails very seriously. And there are stories that I think should be shared without telling who, of course, but they are generally good tips. So I really thank you for sharing. And I hope you stay. I hope you subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And I have my social media platforms, which you might want to follow. Instagram at The Real D, TikTok at The Real D, and Facebook page, Building Self-Esteem on Social Media. And together, let's grow and feel good about ourselves and really find our better versions. Thanks so much. You take care. Love yourself. Appreciate yourself every step of the way. Bye for now.